Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, the cube root we can change into s to the power of 1 over 3. Similar for this one. Next, this one multiplied by this one and this one. So this one we have 2 over 3. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n dx. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one in here we have 4 over 3. This one in here we have 4 over 3. This one in here we have 5 over 3 and 5 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.